System monitoring by executing application remotely. After gaining access, attacker try to upload or execute malicious program like Trojan or virus on the target machines and can take full control over the machine and monitor the system. So as a good penetration tester in our organization or in our company, penetration tester execute employee monitoring or people monitoring software applications to the remote machine using some Windows based or Linux based tool and can monitor all the employees activities, all the computers activity by executing application remotely. So in this video I will show you how you can execute application remotely on the target machines. So let's begin. Here I have Windows 10 operating system and Windows Server 2012 operating system. I will use Windows 10 as a host machine. Now let me download application remote exec. Just click on this link. I already downloaded remote exec and install on my machine. So I just need to go into Windows button and just click on remote exec. But if you want to download remote exec application, you just need to go to the isdecisions.com. My internet is going to be slow, not an issue. So you just need to click on remote job. Just go into remote job, click on new remote job and click on file execution, where you can define which file do you want to run on the remote machine. Just click on this setting, select application. I have a SuperScan software. I have also SNScan software. Just select it. Select directory path of the software. It is available under desktop folder. Just click desktop folder. Go to the name button and define computer name of the remote machine. Computer name is Win2K12. Just go to the Windows Server 2012. Right click on this PC. Go to the properties. Here you can find computer name Win2K12. And just click on launch. Here you can see it is trying to connect with the remote machine, preparing, initializing and copying to the remote machine and executing snscan.exe to the remote machine. So here you can just click on download free trial. Just click on remote exec 5.0. Just fill up the form and you can download after verifying link. So just go to the Windows Server 2012, open task manager, and here you can see SNScan is running. So here, right here you can check status of the snscan.exe. Let me close it. Just click on end task. SNScan has been closed. Here you can see SNScan is warning and exit code not null. It's closed by the remote machine. You can also restart on failed computer just by clicking on that link. Just click on restart on failed computer and just click on launch. It will launch again to the remote machine. Just go to the Windows Server 2012 and here you can see SNScan is running again. Just click on end task. So hope you understand how you can execute any virus or Trojan program to the remote machine using remote exec software. So thank you for watching this video.